think they're dead.
I know. The ones up there are statues, man.
We are not. Those are yucky hands.
We're not shaking nobody's hands.
We got to beat.
You like the clip, the little beat, didn't
They
you?
like a little beat. Lily, don't touch. He's afraid.
Might be something you ate.
There's something he ate he's allergic to. He's trying to get rid of. Yes, his body's trying to purge it.
Oh.
Looking at you, Reese.
Get rid of. Yes, his body's trying to purge it.
I don't think I've ever really seen one this close in person.
Bite you. Bite you. Bite you.
Too little to turn loose. I guess.
Go hard. Under the water.
Rule number one, while that motor's running, please stay seated at all times. Now, once I shut that motor off, y'all can stand up, take pictures, anything like that if y'all want to. Second rule, these alligators out here are wild, so please leave your hands, arms, and head inside this boat at all times. Y'all see the one in front of us to the right? Just be glad y'all didn't get the guy in the green. All right, folks, if y'all like to stand up to get a picture of that canal, feel free to do so now. Now, once I fire the boat up, y'all don't freak out. I'm not going to sling y'all down, okay? I'm just going to do it to straighten us up. Every year during the summertime, groups of young alligators like to come hang out underneath these bridges. Once a group of young alligators like that, it's actually called a pod of alligators, P-O-D. A couple reasons they do like to hang out here. Number one being the shade. They love to be where they can stay in a cool spot all day long, kind of like me on this airboat. With that being said, the second thing they love the most about this place, once we get underneath that second bridge, if y'all look straight up, y'all see these nests that are made of mud that's stuck to the bridge. Now the birds that make these nests are called barn swallows. Y'all look up in the center of them, y'all can see these nests. Now the barn swallows come here in early April to lay their eggs, and by June they start learning how to fly. Unfortunately, when some of them are learning how to fly, some do fall out and hit the water and become a snack. All right, folks, now this is what I like to call the hold-on part. We're gonna pick up some speed, we're gonna do some sliding, we're gonna do some heavy spin arounds. If at any time y'all feel uncomfortable, all you have to do is raise your hand. I will slow the boat down. All right, folks, y'all hold on, and here we go. Good, doesn't it?
Give it power.
Y'all remember Hurricane Katrina? The bottom of that white sign on the bridge is the actual water line. On this bridge, we're 4.5 miles from the Gulf. It took 8 days for the water to get back down to normal. The 8 days that the water was up, most of our alligators was on that bridge. All right, that ball tree to your left, y'all look about head high on it, in front of us. About head high.
Oh my gosh. Here's the next guy.
Look at that one right there. About 11, 12 foot, judging by the size of the head. This is some of the tail. I got into a fight. Going in for the heart, it looks like. Y'all will, please brace yourself. As slow as we are going, it can still throw you in the bottom of the boat. Gonna have a little bit of a bump up front.
Thank you very much for everyone watching. If you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe.